All right. Quick how to add a name to a PNG, like a full wrap. So you want to wrap this all the way around a cup or something. It's gonna take a minute to do if you do want to do this kind of design, but a lot of people are doing it. So first thing I would do is actually create a box, same size as this one. So I'm just copying this one. I know it's 14, so just copy, paste it, and I'm unlocking it so I can get this 14. So then I know they're exactly the same. And I'll show you why we're doing this. So, and then basically you just want to align these both up. Alignment. And then right now the image, I'm going to unlock it just so I can't grab it for a second. Bring your name in. Size you want to do. You want to do this one. So you can do a thing called mask. So the problem is if I just mask, you're going to have one SVG and one PNG file. So right now, if I just click on the picture and then David, and I hit the clip, create mask. It creates a mask for David, but it just puts David in the name. So like if you wanted to put a heart with this, it'd be cool. Because then it's just got so inside David is part of the picture. That's not like what you guys want is the other way. Then that's why we did the box. So to fix that problem, now you right click, done. So what you can do, go down here. So gotta click it, release the mask. So it's always there. The picture's always back there. So what I'm gonna do now, actually move this to a different layer just so I can see it better. I always like working in solids, just easier. Create an outline. And then what you need to do is take that new outline, this new box we just did, that, that, and we're actually going to subtract the overlap. So now this compound vector. Just another thing they did is they made so it brings the front. So it just shoves back. Whenever something gets made, it gets shoved to the back. So that's why the picture was sitting over top of it. So now that this David outline plus the box, now if I select everything and hit create mask, so it will show up down here once it's able to do it, or you can right click and do it in here. So create mask. So basically, it's just eating out the David part. Hit done, and now David that was underneath shines through, and you can make a name inside of a PNG. So just one way of doing this. So hopefully that helps anybody that's looking.